Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'll be making concoction rice, Nigerian concoction rice. So already the water is boiling, so I'll be adding my rice to it. I'll go in with the rice. I'm just trying to prepare it to remove some of the starch and some dirt. I was actually doing this behind the scene, but I thought it wise to show you how I debone this tilapia fish, because I know many people know how to do it, especially our ladies, our queens. But I know there are some Uncle Chinedus or Kwemekas that might be watching. So I am doing it here now. You really need a lot of patience to debone this fish. Some of these fish, some of those fish pieces are entering my mouth. That's so good. You know, they say all works and no play makes Johnny and Jack. It's all about all cooking and not eating makes Ella a dull mommy. So I just added red oil to my pot. Actually, this oil stayed more than 2 minutes. It's about 3 minutes to 4 minutes. I'll allow the onion to release all of those sweet flavor before adding our tomatoes. These are pepper. I did not blend, I chopped it. Guys, just look at this beautiful local sauce. Beautiful local tomatoes, onion sauce. You can enjoy your yam with this, or boiled yam. See our fish, our bongo fish. I'll be introducing it. The aroma of these covers everywhere in this compound. I just added some crayfish. That's not the only crayfish I'll be adding. As we go, I'll add the remaining, but I want to fry this particular one so that the taste will come out. So I'll be introducing water. Some seasoning cubes. I'll be covering for it to boil. Right now our rice is ready to go in. Let's check. There's still some more water. Little. Let me check for salt. The salt is okay. I'll add little more water. Now I'm pouring in the last crayfish. Oh my god, look at this concoction rice. This is more than concoction rice. This is concoction rice and more. Actually, the weather here called for this. It's somehow cold because it rained in the morning. I thought of what to cook and then this came to my mind. At least the scent leaf in this will act like a stimulant to stimulate the stimulables. And guys, this is so delicious. We are done. Just dish and enjoy. Please guys, like this video. Drop your comment for me. I want to read from you. Subscribe if you are new to this channel, and also click on the notification please so you can be notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you for always supporting this channel. Thank you for always watching my videos. Bye.